Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a very good recipe called chickpea sunflower sandwich. This is vegetarian. It takes place of like chicken salad sandwich. If you're going vegetarian, which mine and my husband are transitioning into. We're transitioning into the vegetarian lifestyle due to my medical problems. I found out that I am borderline diabetic, so we are transitioning into this lifestyle. And this is one of the recipes that I found, and it is extremely delicious. And you can either make it into a sandwich or have it with crackers, which I like to do. It's kind of like, you could either have it for lunch or for dinner or as a snack, really. The ingredients are quite simple. It's 1 ounce of chickpeas, one can of chickpeas, the 15-ounce can of chickpeas. I'm making double because my husband also likes to take, a small container, a Tupperware, to work with him. So, drain them, clean them out, in your drainer, in your colander, and then either put them in a food processor to break them up, or just take a fork and smash them, okay? And then you're going to take, if you're only doing 1 can, do a 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds. Well, I'm doing 2 cans, so I'm doing a 1/2 cup of sunflower seeds. You could do unsalted or salted. I like the salted myself, but I'm not going to add any other kind of salt to this recipe. And then take 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can do vegan mayonnaise, any kind of mayonnaise, but I'm doing 2 cans, so I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of mayo. And I'm using regular mayonnaise because it's what I have in my fridge, and I'm going to use up what's in my fridge before I go food shopping again this week. Okay, and then you're going to use Dijon or spicy mustard. For 1 can, you're going to use 1/2 teaspoon. Well, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of Dijon. And then 1 tablespoon for 1 can of maple syrup. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons, obviously. But you could also sub it for agave or honey. Honey tastes really good. I've used honey before, but I'm going to try sugar-free maple syrup this time and see how that tastes. I've heard it tastes really, really awesome this way. Some onion. Love onion. I chopped up some onion. I'm going to put some onion in there. My husband loves onion. And then do some dill. And then some fresh pepper. Yep. I didn't realize that was moved over too much. Darn it. And that's it, really. Just mix it all in together. And when I tell you, this literally takes the place of chicken salad. It really does. And you're still getting the protein, from the chickpeas, as you would as if you were eating, real chicken, for real chicken salad, not the canned stuff. But it really, really is truly, honestly delicious. I would not lie to you. And being as though, we are transitioning into the vegetarian lifestyle, I am not, and I'm Italian, and I am not one to let flavor go. This is remarkable. And I wanted to share it with you. And this really, really, truly is good. And I wanted to share it with you because this honestly has to be one of the hardest things that I've been dealing with, changing my entire lifestyle because of a diagnosis. And yes, I am borderline diabetic, but before I get there, changes have to be made now. I do have a lot of health concerns. Yes, I do have a heart condition. I have something called tachycardia. My heart rate is extremely high all the time. Yes, I am on medication for it. I have high blood pressure. I have high cholesterol. I have something called hypothyroidism. I cannot seem to lose weight. Am I working on that? Yes. Is the vegetarian lifestyle helping me with that? Yes. So I feel that going vegetarian is helping me on more than one aspect. It's going to help me with my blood sugar, yes. Have I cut out sugar altogether? My God. Don't even tempt me with my morning coffee. But is that the only time I have sugar? Yes. And is it a lot? No. I mean, it's literally just a sprinkle. But I have to have it, and it's killing me. And do I want to go with Sweet and Low or Equal or Splenda? No. Why? Because the horror stories that you've heard from the 80s and the 90s about how saccharin causes cancer, and God, cancer runs rampant in my family, and no, I don't want to take that chance, so no, I won't ever touch that junk. But anyway, this is it, and it really is good. And try it, please. And if you do make this, come back and leave a comment and tell me if you like it. It really is good. You get the salty because of the sunflower seeds, and it really does take place of the chicken salad. And I'm telling you the truth. It's really awesome. It really is. Okay, guys. Wish me luck on my journey to transitioning to vegetarian. This is going to be one of the hardest things, being as I'm Italian. God help me. And here's to a good 2020 for all of us. And for me getting my health back on track, and losing a little bit of weight, and making sure I don't go into that full-on diabetic, because that's what scares me. And diabetes is not in my family, and that's what's even scarier. Where is this coming from? Is it hereditary? I don't know. I have a doctor's appointment on Tuesday. So more discussions are going to have to be had. Anyway, this is it. I'm starving. Okay, bye.